When I was growing up, I was really interested in hearing family stories. I really liked reading about history, reading biographies and things like that, finding out about the past. And then I moved into university studying literature, history, film. Very interested in culture and how it works, but none of those approaches seemed quite right. So when I found ethnology and folklore, it really offered me a chance to kind of bring all those different kind of strands together, and just kind of think about how culture works. What I liked most was this balance of theory and practice, so that you're in the library reading books, but you're actually also getting to meet people who do the things that you're reading about. You're encouraged to go out and wander about, take photos, go out and speak to people of your own accord, to learn about things that you're interested in by actually participating in them, by actually observing them, rather than just reading about them. What I'm interested in is the stories that people tell about places, so whether that would be through, for example, a theatre show or an Instagram account that they run, and how that might affect how they or how other people that see this thing relate to it as well. My master's dissertation was about walk-in tours, and what I was looking at there was how the walk-in tours are put together, what kind of stories are being selected to be told about the place, and then how are people experiencing those stories. So for example, folk told me about how they were able to visualise this kind of like gruesome murder happening as the story was being told, or they told me that their perception about the place that they were visiting was changed, because they gained a deeper understanding of the history of the place they were visiting by walking through it. So in one of the first lectures that was on the course, Tom quoted this concept of talking about dig where you stand. And to me that just kind of encapsulates the idea that through studying ethnology and folklore, I have gained a particular set of skills to do with researching, analysing, going out and speaking to people, kind of making connections and stuff. And everybody else has got a skill set that they learn through the work that they do, through the kind of life they lead and things like that. So it's thinking about how can you kind of pool all those different skills together to examine the world we live in and to think about how we can make it a better place.